So what we had was, we had a question where we wanted to solve this using suitable properties. Question number 5 says solve using suitable properties. It's indicated here, but as such they have not indicated which properties are to be used. So I will just help you recall the properties that you have already studied last year for whole numbers. Same properties can be applied to integers also. So as for now, I had taken this example over here, where you have the multiplication of 625 with 95, and then you have 625 multiplied with 5. Since both multiplication,
example hai.
Yes, this is an example to explain, because the example that I have taken does not have plus minus signs. The question that we are doing has plus minus signs. So I'm showing without the integers. All right. So if you look at this multiplication or this question, the one over here, there are two products. पहली मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी 625 है, सेकंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी 625 है. तो हम दो बार 625 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, हम सिर्फ एक बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So what we do is we separate that multiplication of 625. मैंने ये सेपरेट कर ली, और अंदर ब्रैकेट में मेरे पास क्या बच गया, वो वाले नंबर्स जिनके साथ मुझे 625 को मल्टीप्लाई करना था. एक 95 के साथ करना था और एक 5 के साथ करना था. इन दोनों को मैंने ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिख लिया, और इनके बीच में प्लस आएगा या माइनस आएगा वो आपको यहां से पता चलेगा, ऊपर यहाँ पे जो साइन होगा ये वाला. अब सपोज आपके पास सेम क्वेश्चन इस तरह से होता, 625 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 95 माइनस 625 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. अब फिर से 625 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो हम सिर्फ एक बार करेंगे, और आपके पास ब्रैकेट में कौन से नंबर्स आ जाएंगे जिनके साथ 625 को मल्टीप्लाई करना था. 95 के साथ करना था वो भी अंदर आ गया, 5 के साथ करना था वो भी अंदर आ गया. इन दोनों के बीच में साइन कौन सा लगेगा, ये वाला
प्लस का.
नो, इन सेकंड एग्जांपल व्हिच साइन हैव आई यूज्ड,
कहां पे मैम? अच्छा
ये देखो
मैम, वो थोड़ा सा डाउट हो गया था, मैं ऊपर देख लिया था.
व्हिच साइन इज इट,
माइनस, सब्ट्रैक्ट,
subtraction sign. So we are going to use subtraction sign, right? And then what we do is we solve the bracket. The bracket gives me 90. Bracket में से आंसर आएगा 90. और फिर मुझे
625 मल्टीप्लाई 90, 625 मल्टीप्लाई 90.
Now you can see अब पहले कितनी बड़ी मल्टीप्लिकेशन थी, 95 के साथ 5 के साथ, और ऐसा करने से ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंपल हो गई. Same thing we are going to do here. I will just write down the question again. So let's just, this is exercise 1.3, page number 21, question number 5. So, first part, 26 multiplied by minus 48, then plus minus 48 multiplied by
मैम आपने यहाँ तक करवाया था.
I know, मैंने यही करवाया. So एक प्रोडक्ट ये है, एक ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रही है और एक ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रही है. कैन यू सी कि इन दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशंस में क्या कॉमन है?
-48.
यस, बोथ मल्टीप्लिकेशंस आर विद -48. पहली मल्टीप्लिकेशन में भी इनटू -48 है, दूसरी तरफ भी क्या है, इनटू -48. सो लेट्स सेपरेट इट, इसको अलग कर लेते हैं. तो आपके पास क्या रह जाएगा? You will be left with 26
plus -36,
और यहां से -36, और इन दोनों के बीच में साइन कौन सा आएगा?
plus
addition sign, right? Now let's solve the bracket. In your bracket, open the smaller brackets. Minus plus minus becomes minus from the bracket. Yes, this is -10, and now you can use the rules of multiplication.
480.
Yes, that's right. Negative 480 get cancelled, and this will be 480
plus.
Very good. Okay, Sahaj, I'll give another example. Okay, Harjot, actually I've done the recording so you can watch it later if you have missed anything in the beginning. And Divyanshi, you need to disconnect and try again. Okay, I'll just take another part from this question, similar to this one, and then we will do B part. एक part कर रहे हैं हम इसका जो इसके जैसा है. All right, that's E part. So E part of the question is 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 multiplied by 65. Yes, Pavleen, in multiplication, negatives can be cancelled. Over here, in multiplication. Beta, you need to remember the rules that you have been made to write down before the exercise. Don't mix up. यहाँ पे हम addition subtraction के rules use कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे हम multiplication के rules use कर रहे हैं last step पे. Yes, Achyut? So let's just look at this question now. We have 625 multiplied by minus 35. एक multiplication ये वाली है और एक multiplication ये वाली है. Can you see which is the common number here?
625.
यहाँ पे भी 625 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, यहाँ पे भी 625 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रही है.
मैम पर उधर साइड तो माइनस 625 है.
हम माइनस को वैसे ही रहने देंगे ना, अंदर रहने देंगे. हम 625 बाहर ले लेंगे. तो जो ये एनसर्कल्ड वाला पार्ट है 625 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, इसको अलग कर लिया. नाउ टेल मी व्हाट्स लेफ्ट.
minus 35.
ओके, यहाँ से ये रह गया माइनस और ये प्लस साइन आ गया बीच में, ये भी रह गया था पीछे
minus 65
और
minus
ये रह
65.
गया, ये रह गया. राइट. Once again, I will just underline or I'll just highlight. This is the part that I have taken outside the bracket. Multiplication with 625. ये बाहर है. And what's left inside? एक ये रह गया अंदर, यहाँ पे लिख लिया. फिर यहाँ पे दूसरी तरफ एक ये नेगेटिव साइन रहता था और ये दोनों चीजें यहाँ पे आ गई. And now you just solve.
मैम जो 25 माइनस 25 के साथ मैम वो तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर में, फिर ब्रैकेट के बाहर भी एक और माइनस है मैम. माइनस माइनस तो माइनस माइनस प्लस नहीं होगा.
Which bracket?
मैम माइनस 25 के साथ.
बेटा माइनस 25 कहाँ पे आपके पास?
मैम उसको आपके कलर करने के बाद 6 नहीं दिख रहा.
See now.
ओके मैम.
Ma'am, answer is 62500.
Okay, I'm going to solve the brackets now. यहाँ पे आपके add और subtract rules use होंगे. For the bracket.
मैम एक चीज से समझाइए. मैम हमने 65 के साथ माइनस क्यों लगाया?
बेटा if you look at this product, अपने ये वाले प्रोडक्ट पे फोकस करो. ठीक है, ये प्रोडक्ट है आपके पास. इस प्रोडक्ट में से मैंने ये जो एनसर्कल्ड वाला पार्ट है वो बाहर निकाल दिया. तो पीछे क्या रह जाएगा? ये जो एनसर्कल्ड,
मैम 65 को मैम बाहर क्यों निकाल दिया?
because we have both multiplications with same number. When we have two multiplications with same number, we take that common outside the bracket. This is distributive property. Beta, you have done questions
मैम
like
हमने
these.
इसलिए किया ना क्योंकि बाहर माइनस बचेगा था. हमने 625 को कॉमनली लिया तो माइनस हमने 65 के साथ लगा दिया.
That's right.
Okay.
So now you use multiply rules. So 625 multiplied with 100 with minus sign. Yes, that's right. Rabia, Bhavleen, Palak. Yes, Harjot, we used minus 48 one time in first part. All right. So now we are going back to second part of the question. B part, we have 8 multiplied by 53 multiplied by minus 125. So now we have only multiplication. Question में आपके पास सिर्फ multiply है, right? So what we want to do it, we want to make it easier. Can we make it easier?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
Ma'am, 125 into 8.
Yes, we will multiply the first number with the last number. So I'm going to multiply 8 with minus 125. First, we will multiply these two. Can anyone tell me why we would multiply these two?
As it will give the result as 1000.
That's right, because these two together on multiplication make the product 1000. And then multiplication with 1000 is very easy. Whatever I'm writing on the sides is for you to help, like just to understand what we're trying to do here. So when you have only multiplication, try to make it easier. And how you are going to make it easier, think of two numbers which can be put together so that you can get 100 or 1000. You remember last time also we did such questions. Aryan, beta, check the signs. You have
Yes,
a minus
ma'am.
sign. Yes, you have a minus sign. One minus sign is left. So that means the answer will have minus sign. Aryan Bhardwaj, beta, you need to check this. You have minus 53,000. Okay, let's do another part. C part is also similar to this one now. You have only multiplication and you would like to make it easier. So this is one multiplication, another multiplication, another multiplication. Let's make it easy. No need, Shivam. No, it's not required here. It's completely fine. It will be automatically understood by the examiner which property you are using when you separate a number or when you put these brackets. Like over here, this is associative property. And in the previous two parts, in this part over here, we have used distributive property. If you are aware, you can write down, it's completely fine, but it's not required unless they ask. So let's just tell me which numbers should I put together here in C part.
25 and minus 4.
So I'm going to multiply these two first, the middle numbers. So I'm just putting a bracket around them. And this bracket tells me that this multiplication is to be done first. Right? So I'm just going to write down here. So you're going to multiply these two numbers first, the ones which are in the bracket. So from the bracket, what do I get?
Minus 100 plus 100.
Plus
Plus
100.
100. Minus will get cancelled with the minus sign. 25 into 4 will give me 100. And now what will be the next step? Let's multiply these two.
100 multiplied by minus 7.
That's right. I'll put a bracket here around. See, I'll put another bracket. So I'll put a bracket. That means I'm going to multiply these two. So this will become 1000 with a minus sign.
Minus 15,000.
Now I'm left with only one multiplication. So I don't have to put a bracket because this is the last step. Yes, Harsimran, that's right. Yes, Harjot. Yes, yes. Okay. Moving on. Yes, Sahaj, your answer is correct. Let's look at part D now. We have minus 41 multiplied with 102. Anyone who remembers doing such questions from last year?
And we will separate 100 and 2.
Yes, we are going to,
Distributive
yes,
property.
we are going to break it down into parts. So if there is only one multiplication, and you have to use properties. Now this part, this is important. There is only one product. You can give the answer directly. So to use properties, I can see the students have already done. Remember, you will not do direct multiplication. The question is use property. So don't multiply directly. If the question was, अगर question होता find product, तो हम directly multiply कर सकते थे. But question में क्या कहा है? Use properties. So we have to do it in a different way. Yes, that's right, beta. Your answer is correct. I know. Let's just do this. So how I can break this number? 102. I can write this as 100
plus 2.
plus 2.
100 plus 2.
Now I'm going to multiply this number with 100 minus 41 multiplied by 100, and I'm going to multiply this number with 2. Earlier I had to multiply with 102 because मैंने 102 के दो parts. हाँ जी बेटा.
Please, में ये भी connection टूट गई थी.
All right. Beta, this is very convenient. Actually, if you lose connection, that's why I'm recording my lectures. You can always go and watch the, yes, or you can always go and watch the lecture in case you miss anything. So what I have done here is I had to multiply with 102 and I have to use properties, and I'm not supposed to multiply directly because the question says use properties for simplification. So what I did was, जो larger number है, not the larger integer, larger number out of the two, 41 and 102. 102 is larger. So 102 has been written as 100 plus 2. I have created two parts, 100 and 2. In the question, I had to multiply with 102, but I have written 102 as 102. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to multiply with 102 separately. मुझे 41 को multiply करना था 102 के साथ. 102 को मैंने break किया दो parts में. अब मैं minus 41 से दो multiplications करूंगी. Yes, beta. Abhideep, yes, it's on YouTube as well as Google Classrooms. So let's find out these two products from the first bracket. I will have 4,100 with the minus sign. From the second bracket, I will have 82 with the minus sign. And now you apply your rules of addition and subtraction. So the answer here will be minus 4182. As many students have already done. Sahaj, Palak, Harnivaz, Shivam, Bhavya, Meher, Rabia, Bhavleen, Aryan Bhardwaj, Sahaj, Preet, Harsimran, I think. Yeah, all these students have already done. They're sending me the answers in the chat box. All right. So let's do, E part is already done. E part is done already. We have done it before. D part. No beta, it will not be +2. मल्टीप्लीकेशन पूरी ब्रैकेट के साथ करनी है, ब्रैकेट के साथ करनी है मींस उसके पार्ट्स के साथ करने हैं. यू कैन नॉट पिक एंड चूज, यू कैन नॉट जस्ट डू इट विद वन पार्ट. 102 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. क्वेश्चन में क्या है मल्टीप्लाई करना, आपको 102 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 102, so we are going to multiply with 100 and we are going to multiply with 2. All right, so let's move on to part F. We have 7 multiplied by 50 minus 2. Now they have already created a, what we're going to do is we are going to do it in parts now. We are first going to multiply 7 with 50 and we're going to multiply 7 with 2. This is distributive property once again.
Ma'am, answer is 3 plus 336.
That's right. The answer is 336. This is 350 minus 14 and on subtraction you get 336. Yes, that's right. Harnivas, Bhavleen, Rabia, Bhavya. Your answers are correct. G part, we have minus 17 multiplied by minus 29.
Mama, answer is plus 493.
Okay, let's see. Now the first thing that I want to do here is, which I'm tempted to do, like this is something which I cannot help myself, I want to do it. This is multiplication, and in multiplication I can always cancel minus with minus. Yes, because it's multiplication, I can cancel minus sign with minus sign. So this is the first thing I'm going to do here. I'm left with now this, but I have not used any property yet. I have not used any property yet. So what am I supposed to do here?
Ma'am, Ma'am,
30 minus 1 equals 29.
Just a minute, one by one, beta. Yes, Lovepreet.
मैम फिर हम इसको कटिंग कर रहे हैं माइनस की, तो मैम जब आंसर आएगा तो फिर माइनस आगे लगाएंगे.
कैसे? माइनस खत्म हो गया, अब कैसे लगाएंगे?
ओके मैम.
Answer is positive.
Yes, answer will be positive. Now tell me which property should I use here?
हमने माइनस की कटिंग क्यों की है?
I have written here multiply rules. In multiplication, you can cancel minus with minus.
20 plus 9.
Yes, that's right. That's right. I'm going to do this like part D. You must have in your notebooks. Now, you can take a look. This is part D. This is the note that I have mentioned. When there is only one multiplication. अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन है और आपको प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है, तो हम क्या करेंगे?
पार्ट डी में आपने सेकंड बार -41 मल्टीप्लाई 100 के बाद ब्रैकेट के बाद प्लस डाला है कि मल्टीप्लाई का साइन डाला है?
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
This one is plus sign.
मैम ये ओके.
So, अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, as in this case, you have only one multiplication and we want to use property, what we will do is we will break the larger number. So, if you want, you can write down for yourself once again. So, there is one multiplication. And we want to use property. So what we will do is break larger number into parts. So this is a larger number. Let's write it as 20 plus 9.
493.
Now there is another way you could have done this. Yeah, there is another way you could have written 29. You could have also done this way. 30 minus 1. 29 can also be written as 30 minus 1. This is the second option that you have. Which one looks easier?
17 multiplied by 20 plus
20,
9.
20 plus 9. 30 minus 1.
30 minus 1 is easier because यहाँ पे आपके पास 1 से multiplication है. This will be easier. You can do it anyway. Both are correct. So I'll just show you with both. I'm going to show you with both so that you know what I'm talking about.
Ma'am, the answer is 490.
So let's just do with the first one. So I'm going to multiply the number outside with both numbers in the bracket. 17 multiplied by 20, then 17 multiplied by 9. In between we have addition sign. From here I get 340. Beta, it's network problem on your end. My network is completely, it's working fine. It's completely fine. So from here you get,
The answer is 493.
yeah, that's right. From here I get 493. Let's try the other way. Let's try the other way. Multiply 17 with
Excuse
the
me,
two
ma'am.
numbers. Yes.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम की जो आपने अभी सम किया मैम ये फर्स्ट पार्ट का ही क्या है ना
Yes.
मैम वो लाइन थोड़ी सी लंबी कर दो मैम कंफ्यूजन हो रही है जब लिखते हैं मैम वो साथ में मिक्स हो रहा है ना
I'm not sure which line you're talking about here, beta.
मैम ये तो आपने ग्रीन वाली लाइन डाली है
Beta, I am showing two ways to do it over here. यहाँ पे ये दो ways मैंने शो किए हैं आपको.
ठीक है
ठीक है? इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. So there are two ways you can do this. This is one way. This is method 1, and this is 2. Property is same, but we have done it in two ways. So this will be now 510 multiply minus 17, and the answer is 493 from both methods. Yes, Gurshan, Bhavleen, Harnevaz, Sahajpreet, Harkirat, Abhideep, Gurshan, beta, you need to check your answer. Shivam, your answer is correct. Harsimran, your answer is correct. Very good, Sahaj. Yes, Bhavya, Alak. Betal, wait, Shivam, wait for the last part. Last part करवा रही हूँ मैं अभी आपको. Okay, let's move on to the last part now. This is very important. Please make sure your mics are muted.
मैम वो जी वाला दोबारा समझा दो मैम उसके मैम थोड़ा समझ नहीं आया मैम फर्स्ट मैम जो उसका आपने 2 मेथड से करवाया ना मैम फर्स्ट मेथड से करो
Achyut, listen to me. Beta, you always focus on writing down, and when I'm explaining, you don't pay attention. Beta, I will check your answers. Just wait for a minute. Now, Achyut, what we have done is, because आपके पास इस क्वेश्चन में G पार्ट में एक ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन थी और हमें प्रोडक्ट को प्रॉपर्टी की हेल्प से सॉल्व करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, जब भी आपके पास एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो और आपको प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करनी है, so what you want to do is you want to break the larger number into parts. So the larger number out of these two, out of 17 and 29 is 29. So 21
Thank you,
can be
ma'am.
written as, yes. You can now break down 29 in two ways. 29 को आप दो तरीके से ब्रेक कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है 20 plus 9. ये भी 29 बनता है.
Yes, ma'am.
और दूसरी तरफ चेक करो, दूसरी तरफ मैंने लिखा है 30 minus 1. ये भी 29
Yes,
बनता
ma'am.
है. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो दोनों तरीकों से सॉल्व करेंगे तो आंसर सेम आता है.
Okay, ma'am.
Right answer is same in either case. You can write 29 as 20 plus 9 addition की help से, या फिर आप लिख सकते हो 30 minus 1 with subtraction.
मैम पहले वही लिखना ना 17 मल्टीप्लाई 29.
हाँ
मैम
जी.
उसके बाद ये लिखना.
हाँ जी, उसके बाद दो हैं, मैंने एरो से शो किया है. सो फ्रॉम हियर इस स्टेप पे यहाँ से आपका चेंज हो रहा है. देखो
Yes,
एक इधर है और एक इस तरफ है.
yes, ma'am.
यस लवप्रीत.
मैम बाय मिस्टेक.
Okay. Bhavleen, beta, you're asking for G part. This is G part. All right. H part, we have minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57. Now, this is something you are doing for the first time. So I want you to remember this. So this is what you want to note down here. I'm going to write down this 57 as 57 into 1. Now tell me, इससे हमारे question पे कोई फर्क पड़ता है?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Does it change my question in any way?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Only the way it looks. जैसे आपको नजर आ रहा है सिर्फ वो चेंज हुआ है. बट अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं इन दोनों को तो वापस यही चीज बन जाएगी, 57 बन जाएगा. राइट? बट इससे फायदा क्या हुआ? व्हाट्स द एडवांटेज?
कि मैम हमारा
1920 बन जाएगा.
Yes, that's right. Now over here in the first multiplication, I can cancel this minus with this minus sign. So I get 57 into 19 and this is one multiplication. The second value has been written this way. Now I think you should be able to understand why I did this. Can you see? Yes.
मैम वहाँ पे एडिशन साइन नहीं आएगा.
Where beta? Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, this is plus sign.
मैम हम सीधा ही 19 प्लस 120 करके फिर ना मल्टीप्लाई कर दे 57 से.
कैसे कह रहे हो?
प्रॉपर्टी नहीं लगी.
That's why this is a very different part than other parts. So you just remember this. Remember this. This part is different from the rest of the parts. Yes, beta.
मैम ये +1 कैसे आया?
+1 कहाँ लिखा है?
कैसे आया? मैम 19 plus 1.
Okay. Just take a look. आपके पास एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन ये वाली है. इसमें मल्टीप्लिकेशन किसके साथ हो रही है?
57 multiplied by 19.
57 और 19 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. इसमें आपके पास कौन कौन से नंबर है दूसरी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में?
57 और 1.
दोनों मल्टीप्लिकेशंस में कुछ कॉमन है?
मैम ये 57.
मैंने वो अलग कर दिया. मैंने वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन अलग कर दी. तो पहली मल्टीप्लिकेशन में से क्या बच गया?
19 + 1. ओके मैम.
राइट? दूसरी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में से 1 आ गया. तो इन दोनों का सम बन गया 20 और फिर मैंने 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करके अपना आंसर दे दिया.
मैम तुम्हें 20 तो वहाँ दिया ही नहीं हुआ था.
बेटा, this part is different from the rest of the parts. You need to, this is a part where you learn something new. So you need to understand that. This is different. Saj, beta, you need to send your work. I will check what's the mistake, why your answer is different. All right, in case anyone has done it differently or your answer is different, you need to send it to me. I will check it after I take my other classes. After your class, I have a period with 9th and then with 10th. I will check it later. Yeah, Jane, you can also send. Jane, you can also send it to me. This is important, like the note that we have written. I have written 57 as 57 into 1. ऐसे लिखने से मेरा question change हो जाता है. Earlier, I did not know what to do. यहाँ पे 57 को 57 into जब 1 लिखा है, then it becomes easier. Yes, Palak, you can do it the same way. You can watch the lecture later on. I have done E part with A part, so you can go ahead and watch it. I'll upload on YouTube by evening.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So I would like you to watch the video so that you can understand what we have done. It will be like better for you. You will understand it in a better way. You can play it as many times as you want. So this completes your exercise. After this, we have question number 6 to question number 9. Those are not in syllabus. All right. And tomorrow we start with the next exercise.
Okay. Ma'am, question 6 to 9 are not in syllabus.
They are not in syllabus.
Ma'am, attendance.
I think Bhavya
मैम मैंने